Shark versus train. I'm gonna chew you up and spit you out. Ha! I'm going to finish you, mackerel breath. Who will win, shark versus train? Well, that depends on if they're in the ocean or on the railroad tracks. If they're on a seesaw, or in a hot air balloon, roasting marshmallows, eating pies, or having a burping contest. It depends on whether they're bowling, shooting baskets, or going off the high dive. Running lemonade stands, trick-or-treating, or giving rides at a carnival. Shark rides for free. It can depend on who gets to pick first. Who names the game? And who deals the cards? But who wins if they're playing at hide and seek? Or trying not to get shushed? Performing in a piano recital, or playing extreme zombie squirrel motocross. Exploring distant galaxies, or sword fighting on a tightrope. Or boys, lunch. End of the line.